Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country style farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage country style farmhouse decor is a warm, nostalgic and timeless decorating style that beautifully combines the rustic charm of country living with the grace and authenticity of vintage treasures. It creates a cozy, lived-in feeling that is both inviting and full of character, like stepping into a cherished countryside home filled with history and heart. Core concept: vintage country farmhouse decor celebrates the simplicity, comfort, and history. It draws inspiration from old farmhouses and rural homes, using natural materials, antique finds, and handcrafted details. Every piece tells a story, from weathered old furniture to hand-stitched linens. Key elements: natural materials use reclaimed or distressed old furniture, old iron, galvanized metal, and aged brass. Use linen, cotton, burlap, and lace fabrics. Color palette use soft muted tones like cream, beige, faded white, and soft gray. Pastel accents: shades green, dusty blue, butter yellow, and blast pink. Touches of natural oud or rustic brown for warmth. Furniture style: vintage inspired or antique pieces with aged finishes. Use farmhouse tables, spindle back chairs, and open shelving. Mix of comfort and utility. Simple yet charming designs. Decorative touches: use messengers, enamel pictures, and vintage kitchen skills. Distressed picture frames, old clocks, and weathered mirrors. Also use floral or gingham textiles for curtains, cushions, or tablecloths. Walls and floors: use shiplap with both or whitewashed wood walls, natural wood or stone floors with beaded or open rugs. Ambience: the atmosphere is warm, cozy, and nostalgic, evoking the feeling of the simpler, slower-packed country life. It is often accented by soft candlelight, the scents of fresh flowers, and handmade details that make the space feel loved and lived in. Styling tips: mix old and new, pair vintage finds with modern comfort. Use open shelves to display antique dishes, jars, or pottery. Layer textiles like straws and quartz for texture and warmth, and floral arrangements or greenery in distinct containers like tin cans, pitchers, and baskets. Include personal touches like family heirlooms, old photos, or hand-me-downs. Let's go deeper into vintage country style farmhouse decor inspiration, exploring its history, mode, materials, textures, and styling techniques to help you master this look like a true expert. In the heart of vintage country farmhouse style, this decor style comes from old rural farmhouses, places where furniture was built to last, and decor was simple yet full of love. It reflects a slower, more meaningful lifestyle, where each page in the home served a purpose but also carried sentimental value. Over time, this style evolved to blend antique elegance with country charm, creating a perfect balance of comfort, nostalgia, and authenticity. Signature furniture: farmhouse tables use solid wood, often displays are painted in white or pastels. Windows cabinets and hatches display antique china or glass jars. Slip-covered sofas, comfortable and practical, often in linen or cotton. iron paint, or wooden frames. In bedrooms for a charming nostalgic touch. Rocking chairs or wine bags, perfect for cozy reading corners. Every piece should have a story or is beauty, slightly owned, chipped or faded finishes add to the authenticity. Essential materials and textures. Texture play a huge role in vintage country farmhouse design. Makes this for a layered, inviting look. Use natural wood, unfinished or whitewashed. Use linen, cotton, burlap, lace, soft wet rustic fabrics. Galvanized metal and earth iron for lighting, wall decor or accents. Ceramic, enamel and glass, especially for kitchen or table displays. This combination gives the room both rugged charm and gentle femininity. Decor and accessories. Decoration should feel handcrafted, found, or passed down. Try messengers for flowers or candles. Antique clocks, mirrors, and picture frames. Wicker baskets for storage. Use vintage textiles like quilts, embroidered pillow covers, or crochet table runners. Use old sign, enamel art, or tin buckets for rustic firm feel. Ambience and lighting. Lighting should be soft, warm, and cozy. Think of gentle glows, not harsh brightness. Use old iron candelabras or lantern pendants. Fall sconces with a vintage look. Candles and fairy lights for romance and charm. The mood it creates. Vintage country farmhouse decor is not just about appearance. It is about how it feels. It is calm, wholesome, and nostalgic. It brings back memories of simpler times, family meals, blooming garden, and cozy evenings by the fire. Stylic secrets make serious. Combine 1940s floral prints with rustic 80s wooden furniture. Display collections, old pictures, crockery, or farmhouse tools. Layer fabrics add soft truss, rugs, and cushions for depth. Embrace imperfection, scratches, faded paint, and chipped wood at soul. Add nature, use dried flowers, herbs, and greenery for freshness. The soul of vintage country farmhouse decor. This style is far more than a look, it is a way of living. It embraces warmth, nostalgia, and connection to the past. Every crockery floorboard, whether chair and hand-painted jug, tells a story. Homes in this style feel lived in, loved, and real, not perfect or staged. It combines the honesty of country living, practicality and handmade charm, the grace of vintage elegance, soft colors, aged beauty, the comfort of farmhouse warmth, cozy, family-centered spaces. In essence, it is about creating a home that hugs you the moment you walk in. The beauty of imperfection, patina and sword. In this decor, imperfection is perfection. Instead of hitting ace, it celebrates every chip, crack, and own finish and so on. Look for distressed finishes, furniture with peeling paint or rubbed, aged, cracked ceramics, perfectly imperfect pottery, aged metals, rust iron hooks, tarnished brass knobs, ornate wood, chur beams or floorboards, showing natural grain. This aged grace gives a home tip and charm. No mass product gloss, only quiet authenticity. Authentic materials and craftsmanship, handcrafted items define the vintage country farmhouse's spirit. Seek out handmade pottery instead of machine-made dishes, crocheted linens or embroidered pillowcases, oven baskets for practical storage, locally crafted wooden furniture. Use old glass bottles and jars as natural decor. These textile materials bring back the craftsmanship of generations. Objects made with patience, not machines. Security philosophy, useful can be beautiful. One of the golden rules of this decor is if you need it, make it beautiful. This means even everyday objects, cutting boards, animal pictures, aprons, or tin canisters can double as decor. Display them openly, hang pots and pans on wall hooks, stack linens neatly on open shelves, store flowers, sugar, and tea in glass jars or ceramic crocks. Place wildflowers in mismatched vintage vases. The beauty lies in function and honesty, not taking things away but celebrating them. Creating atmosphere, light, scent, and sound. To make a true vintage country farmhouse atmosphere, think about decor, lighting, soft amber tones from lamps, lanterns, or candles. Scent freshly baked bread, lavender shades, or beeswax candles. Sound the crack of rocking chairs, the hum of a kettle. These sensory layers make the home feel deeply lived in and peaceful, an escape from modern chaos. Advanced styling layers. Professional farmhouse decorators often use subtle layers to build richness. Layered textiles combine lace curtains with burlap runners or patchwork quilts. Mix patterns carefully, florals with checks or straps, keeping tones soft and cohesive. Add vintage art, botanical prints, oil paintings, or family portraits in antique frames. Use symmetry, pair wall sconces, chairs, or nightstands for calm visual balance. Play with the skulls. Mix large rustic furniture with delicate vintage accents. Emotional connection. Finally, what makes this style powerful is its emotional depth. It reminds us of grandmother's kitchen filled with fresh pies, lazy summer afternoons with lace curtains fluttering, the sound of rain on a tin roof, the warmth of shared meals and stories by candlelight. It is a decor that touches the heart, not just the eyes. The historical jobs, the vintage country farmhouse look began in rural Europe and America. Our homes are built with local materials like wood, stone, and metal, and decorated with what families had on hand. In English countryside homes, use floral prints, soft linens, and painted furniture add a gentle charm. In American farmhouses, practicality met craftsmanship, large firm tables, iron beds, and open shelves. Over time, these humble designs aged beautifully, inspiring the vintage farmhouse look we added today, nostalgic, personal, and full of quiet character. The philosophy behind the style at its heart, this decor is not about perfection, it's about serenity. It values honest materials. What you see is what it is. Heritage and memory, every piece has meaning. Simplicity and comfort. Comfort comes before luxury, time on beauty. Patina, wire, and handmade textures are cherished. It is a style that invites you to slow down, connect with nature, and appreciate life's small details, like a flower in a jar, a well-loved quilt, or the soft crackle of aged paint. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.